Hey guys, this is Tim King from UMI Performance. I'm here in Detroit with our 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass that is rocking a set of D-Town Detroit steel wheels, and we are on the Good Guys Hall of Fame Road Tour. What we wanted to do was get away from some of the race car stuff that we do, so we wanted a true blue-collar car, something that most guys could relate to that didn't cost $100,000 and something we didn't really have to restore. So what we did was we picked this car up, we put all of our suspension and chassis parts on it, which is all the tubular control arms, shocks, springs, sway bars, new wheels and tires on it. And the whole point of this car is to drive this car anywhere and everywhere. All of our other cars are race cars. So these cars can go out and compete with the newest Corvettes and Camaros, Mustangs, and probably beat them. This suspension is meant to be driven and driven for a long time and not beat you up while doing it. I personally drove this car all the way on the Hot Rod Power Tour, which was a few thousand miles, and the car just handles phenomenal. It feels like a modern car where you are driving, you can feel the feedback, but it's not beating you up. You hit a pothole, it doesn't feel like your brain's gonna rattle out of your head. You can just drive the car all day long. Under the hood is the original Oldsmobile 330 engine. We rebuilt it and we put in a comp cams in it. We did an Edelbrock intake. We did American Racing headers on it. We left it complete with a CVF serpentine kit. But other than that, that engine's pretty much complete. We backed that up with a new 4L65E transmission from Bowler, so that yesterday when I was driving it, it wasn't revving to the moon, and I actually got 20 miles per gallon going down the interstate with it. Bayer 6-piston brakes all the way around, so the car stops on a dime. A complete Resto Mod Air underneath the dash. The interior looks pretty much factory, but we actually did a complete TMI Products interior in it. So it's the original door panels and headliner, but it's actually their complete seats, front and rear with it. So these seats are modern, they allow you to recline, they got bolsters in it. So we reached out to Detroit Steel Wheels because we wanted a set of American-made wheels to go on our American-made Oldsmobile Cutlass. We felt that it was the best wheel to complement the style of build, since we're keeping an original look with this car, and that was the right wheel for the car, to where it didn't look aftermarket. Most people would look at it and think, you know, just a nice, clean 65 Cutlass, and that's the reaction that we've gotten with it, that people are really happy with those wheels because it complements the car so well. So we build everything in-house. We have a 35,000 square foot manufacturing facility where we do 100% of everything. That meant a lot when we reached out for a set of these wheels because we wanted American-made wheels to go on this American-made car. So for us, the best part of this Cutlass is the experiences that we've created with it. We met thousands of people that just interacted with us, and they're like, they love that we kept the original engine with it. They love the wheels because it complemented the car. And that's really what we value with this car, is that the relationships that we were able to create and just, you know, get people to fall in love with these cool cars again. We'll be here in Detroit checking things out for the next day or two. Then we're going to start heading south to the Good Guys Fort Worth show on the Good Guys Hall of Fame Road Tour. So follow us along at UMI Performance on Facebook and Instagram.